Welcome to the Checkpoint Certified Security Administrator course. In this module, we are going to be installing our SmartConsole. So to install SmartConsole, we'll have to go to our Windows server and then we'll log into the Security Management server. So we're going to be inputting our credentials. Now, if you remember, we said that SmartConsole can be used to create security policies. And then when you create your security policies, you get to install them on, or rather, you get to save them, you get to publish them on the security management server. And then the security management server is going to install the policies on the security gateway. So to perform the installation of SmartConsole, or rather, before we install SmartConsole, let's have an overview of the Gaia portal. So Gaia portal refers to the web UI of your Gaia operating system. If you remember, we said that Gaia is Checkpoint's operating system. So as soon as you're done with the first time configuration wizard, you would observe that you can click on network interfaces to add an interface. So you can add a VLAN interface, you can add bridge, loopback, and many more. You can edit interfaces, you can give comments and everything. You can also edit your address resolution protocol. You can configure your host and DNS, host name, domain name, your primary DNS server, your secondary DNS server. You can also configure your static routes. In this case, we have a default static route that points to the security gateway. If you have a proxy, you can select that. If you have a proxy server, you can also specify the time, change your time zone, use your network time protocol. You can also select messages. Okay, for your banner messages, you can configure your system to support IPv6. You can configure the link layer discovery protocol, which can be used to discover devices on a network. Checkpoint has its own proprietary discovery protocol. Okay, so you can choose to use the LLDP. You can also choose to change your password to create users. Okay, so it's also possible to select VRRP for redundancy protocol. You can set your licenses. You can configure snapshots. Okay, so you can take snapshots. You can take backups. You can shut down your system and then you can update your system from the CPUSE. CPUSE stands for the Checkpoint Upgrade Service Engine. So in this course, we are going to take a look at all these things. So we're going to take a look at everything. But for now, let's install SmartConsole. So to install SmartConsole, what you can do will be to change the view mode from basic to advanced. And then you come down to where you have maintenance. So you change from basic to advanced, you scroll down to maintenance, and under maintenance you can see an option for you to download SmartConsole. So we'll click on download, and then I have downloaded this before, so you click on download. As soon as the download has been completed, you go to the download folder where you can see your SmartConsole. So if we go to our download folder, we'll see SmartConsole and then we can perform the installation. Okay, so let's wait for this to come up. So let's check if the download has been completed. This is fine. So now that the download has completed, we'll double click on it, and then after double clicking on it, we're going to see that it will try to verify the file integrity. It will try to extract the files, and then it will launch the SmartConsole app, and then we'll see an option to perform the installation. So to perform this installation, all we need to do is click on next, click on next, click on next until the installation is completed. So the installation is straightforward. Well, I have this installed already, but for your installation, it's straightforward. All you need to do is click on next, click on next, click on next, and click on next. And that is how your Smart Console is going to be installed. Pretty straightforward, very simple. So when you're done with Smart Console, you can log into it. So the next video is going to show us how we can log into the Smart Console, how we can onboard the security gateway using the secure internal communication. So with this, we've come to the end of this particular module. I'll meet you in the next one. Thank you.